Buying a home in Florida involves several key steps. Here's a guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Assess your finances. Review your credit score and report. Determine how much home you can afford, considering down payment, closing costs, and monthly mortgage payments. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to understand your budget and show sellers you're serious. 2. Research locations. Choose the region or city in Florida where you want to live, considering factors like job opportunities, schools, amenities, and climate. Investigate property taxes, insurance rates, and homeowners association HOA fees, which vary by area. 3. Find a real estate agent. Work with a local real estate agent who knows the Florida market. Discuss your needs, budget, and preferences with your agent to find suitable properties. 4. Search for homes. Visit open houses and tour homes that match your criteria. Compare different properties, considering factors like neighborhood safety, commute times, and potential for property value appreciation. 5. Make an offer. Once you find the right home, your agent will help you make a competitive offer based on market analysis and seller conditions. Be prepared to negotiate on price, contingencies, and closing date. 6. Home inspection and appraisal. After your offer is accepted, schedule a home inspection to identify any issues. Your lender will require a home appraisal to ensure the property's value supports the loan amount. 7. Secure financing. Finalize your mortgage application with your lender, providing all required documentation. Lock in your interest rate and review the loan terms before committing. 8. Closing process. Review the closing disclosure, which details loan terms, monthly payments, and closing costs. Conduct a final walkthrough of the home to ensure it's in the agreed condition. Attend the closing meeting to sign all documents, pay closing costs, and receive the keys. 9. Post-closing. Transfer utilities to your name. Move in and enjoy your new Florida home. Working with professionals such as a real estate agent, mortgage lender, and attorney can make this process smoother. Moving to Gainesville, Florida, or buying or selling your property in Gainesville, Newberry, please contact Siri Blumberg, your local Gainesville Realtor today.